Nak, come here, Nak. Sabi ay package from United Kingdom. But I think I knew this one from Bib. I think you will like it. It's it. I knew this one. And this came from United Kingdom. This is from
YouTube.
From YouTube.
No.
You know what's inside? This is
No.
any bilonong. Susar sigduhas iskishap der ganz besondere YouTube M&Ms und eine Erinnerungsdose zu sichern, all deine nächsten kreativen Ideen aufzubewahren. Ein großes Dankeschön von deinen Freunden bei YouTube für alle deine harte Arbeit. Wir würden uns freuen zu sehen, wie du deinen Genussmoment festhältst. Markieren uns at YouTube und nutze YouTube High Five, damit wir es mitverfolgen können. From YouTube High Five. Just a gift from YouTube High Five and M&M's.
Ooh, M&M's. That's for me.
Ooh, but you already had a lot of sweets in the party. You can eat it tomorrow, okay? And
Okay.
That's
It's
also
just-
a 15 euro
15?
gift from Pizza El Osteria. But we will try one, only one, okay?
Okay. Let's see how good they are.
The M&M's
Has
YouTube has
logo.
logo, yeah. It's free, and it's only 1,000 pieces. It's limited edition.
There's chocolate inside.
Yummy. YouTube High Five. It's good. I love it.
Darf ich Naruto, Mama?
Yeah, but I see, okay.
Hast du deine Zeit nicht bekommen?
No.
High Five. And there's
Dann wird
a
aber noch eine halbe Stunde ziehen.
15 euro. Tingnan ni.
Probier noch mal.
Geschenkkarte. Was ist Gutschein? Was ist Gutschein auf Englisch, Daddy? Gift card. Pizza El Osteria. Gift card, oder?
Like this voucher. Like
High five, high five, high five. 1,000 pieces
kind of
only.
voucher.
Voucher, yeah. 15 euro voucher. El Osteria. Yummy.